Hello beautiful makeup lovers, my name is Carolin. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce you to the new Chanel Cruise Summer Collection 2019. This collection was designed by their global director Lucia Pica, who is their global director and color designer. She got inspired, influenced by her travels. I stopped recently by the boutique. It's been online for a while, but I wanted to test the colors on my skin, and for that I wanted to go to the boutique. In this collection, Lucia Pica designed two face palettes, which are bronzer and highlighter in light and medium color, along with an eyeshadow, two cream eyeshadows, three kohl eyeliners, two lip glosses, and three cocoa rouge, and also three nail polish. I only got the face palette, the one cocoa rouge lipstick, one cream eyeshadow, the gold color. I did not like the silver one. I don't think it would look good on my complexion, but it's beautiful if that's your type of color, if you like those kind of colors. I got the face palette in color medium, which was tested at the boutique. That's the main reason why I went to the boutique. I wanted the colors tested on my skin and see if they would show, because usually those colors are too light for my skin. But I will show you swatches of everything and you will be able to see it on my skin. I'll apply everything and let's get started. This is the Lumiere Natural. It comes in this box with a regular velvet package and this little card showing two looks, which I am going to try those looks on myself. It looks very interesting, and this is how it looks. This is how the eyeshadow looks. It has two shimmer colors. Oops. Has two shimmer colors and two matte colors. Let me show you swatches. And this is how the four colors of the eyeshadow look on my skin. Now we have the bronzer and highlighter. This is in color deep. I'm gonna get it out of here, and it has the standard velvet pouch with the little brush, and this is how it looks. This is kind of like very matte. This is the color, and this is the highlighter. I hope the camera can focus enough so you guys can see it. This is how it looks. And the highlighter. Oops. Very intense. So I think that if you are deeper than my complexion, that highlighter can be beautiful for your skin. Now the bronzer, I'm gonna test it on my skin and see. When the makeup artist did my makeup at the boutique, she swirled her brush first and then she deepened my contour areas with the color. Now let me show you swatches of the cream eyeshadow. And this is how it looks. Cocoa Rouge Flash, and this one is in color 212. Let me wipe my hand. This is how it looks, the color. It's a kind of deep color. It's very, very pretty, rosy. I really like those kind of colors on my skin complexion. Let's start with this look. I already applied my Le Beige Water Le Tint, my concealer in number 91 Caramel, along with some translucent powder, everything from Chanel. And this one has quickly become one of my favorites because it makes your face feel so fresh and light. It's like you're wearing nothing. It's in color deep, by the way. I have my Sonia G brush, and the reason why I'm using this brush specifically is because of the shape. It's kind of like an angle, not too thick, not too thin, and it's perfect to get right here because there's not much room. I will use the pretty brush, the fan brush like I like to call it, to apply my highlighter. But now we're gonna just apply a little bit of this right here. See how perfect it is? And we're gonna go and bronze this part right here. Can you see if it shows on my skin? It's kind of like you really don't see much on my skin. When she applied it, you could really see it. I don't know now. Yeah, it has some sort of like very natural color. Perfect for the summer. By the way, this brush is Sculpture 4. I think I'm gonna build intensity a little bit more, but I like it. I don't think I would recommend this product for bronzer or contour if you are deeper than my skin tone. Now, I will do what the makeup artist did, and she kind of swirled the brush with my Chanel brush and just blend those colors with the little fan brush that came in the palette. I will use it for my highlighter. Woo! Is this beautiful? Very happy with it. What a beautiful color. My Cupid's bow. Now moving to eyes, I will start with the deepest color, which is a shimmery right here on my mobile lid. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Ah, I have a new favor along with my Le Beige palette. It's very creamy, and I can certainly compare this quality to the Le Beige palette. Now with the other side of my brush, which is a Chanel brush, I will go on the crease and blend those colors. Kind of exaggerate the outside. Again on the same color. We're going to clean those edges. With the same brush, I'm just cleaning it. I'm gonna go to that lighter color and blend the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go to the darkest color right here, and I will apply that color to my bottom lashes. You don't really see it much on my bottom lashes, but what I would do, apply a little bit of that bronzy color on my bottom lashes. Now with my smaller side brush, I will go to the silver color, which is this one. It's kind of like a silver bronzy color, I would describe it, and apply that to my inner corner. With my fluffy brush, I'm gonna go back to that deep bronzy shimmery color and apply that right on my crease, because I think I want to make some sort of a smoky color, smoky eye color. Then I'm going to go back to the face palette and the bronze color, apply it on my crease because I want that color deeper, right on my crease. I want to blend everything. Since that eyeshadow hardly shows on my bottom lashes, I'm gonna go back to the palette, to the face palette, and apply it on my bottom lashes. With my Chanel black liner, I will accentuate my eyelashes. with my pencil brush, once again, I will blend that color. I'm done with the eyeshadow, but I experienced a little bit of fallout and I will have to clean like around this area right here. Using my Real Technique brush, I will clean up. These eyeshadows are very smooth, very soft. Going back to the same brush, I will, my brow bone. Oh, I'm in love. This is my new love for the summer. I like them both. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna go off camera, finish my eyes with mascara, and be right back. Now that I finished my mascara, I use the Volume de Chanel. I will apply this cream eyeshadow, which is like very clear and shiny right in the middle of my eyelid. Now that I apply my mascara, I don't know if you can see a little bit. Let me bring you in a little bit more. And I'm using the same brush. And the reason why I'm applying this product right after my mascara and my eyeliner, since it's a cream product, I didn't want my eyeliner to just move around. I think it's better now, but you can also use it before, it's your preference, or by itself on a clean lid. You see the girls, the model, applying this product online and she looks so perfect. She explains how to use it and you feel like, wow, it looks so easy and so simple. I think I'm done with that. I'll play a little bit more with it and let you know. Now I will apply my Rouge Coco lipstick. Ah, what a beautiful color. I thought I could get away without blush, but I will have to apply it a little bit. It's your choice if you want to, but I think I will for me because I feel like I need a little bit of color on my face. This is the Voyage de Chanel. I'll apply it with my Sonia G blush and just a tiny bit of color. Just to And with this, I completed my look. My thoughts on this palette are absolutely divine. I love this palette for the summer. It's really nice. If you are deeper than me, I suggest to use a brush and just swirl brush around the palette and use it as a finishing powder, because if you are deeper than me, that color is not going to show on your skin. Now the highlighter, you have to get it for the highlighter because it's beautiful. For deeper complexions, lighter, I don't know if you will get away. It's a little bit too intense for lighter skin tones, but for my complexion and deeper is perfect. Now my thoughts on this palette are that it's very natural. A great palette to have and add for the summer to your collection. This makeup is very soft. All makeup looks from Chanel and the looks that Lucia Pica creates are very soft, very subtle, and she usually focuses on one part of the face. I noticed either bold lips or bold eyes, which is down my alley. I like very soft neutral looks, but with this palette I think that you can play a lot and use it on your eyes or use it on your face. Now with the eyeshadow, I experienced a little bit of fallout, not a big deal, but I think that if you own both of them, They are a great addition to your summer collection, and I'm gonna be giving it a lot of youth. But this is one of my favorites. I really like it. It's like butter, like cream, to add this color to your lips. I really like it. And with this, I have completed my look. I hope you guys liked it, and please let me know down below on the comments if you are going to get this palette, if you're thinking about it, or if you are still using the beige palette, because I'm still crazy with that palette. It's like my everyday palette that I use, because I can use one color or two colors and I'm out the door. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.